Wow! 𝐿𝐀𝐆𝐵 took 3 years to develop this new playpen, and it fulfilled market trending, which is a minimalist design and have a sliding door features. And most important, it solves parent most concern issue, which is stability. So tell me, let's welcome 𝐿𝐀𝐆𝐵 Luna Playpen from Malaysia. Sturdy and durable aluminum frame can support from newborn up to 15 kg, approximately 3 years old. This design have a high pole mosquito net with the hanging toys, and this design give baby a comfortable environment. Platform built in with hard cardboard, supported with 2 steel bar right here, and originally the surface is come with a soft cushion. Diaper changer with soft fabric and waterproof material. Just flip it to the side to store it. To adjust the sliding door easily, zip down left and right, then hold these 2 buttons and slide it down. Luna have the most side opening with only 50.5 cm from the ground. This upper layer can hold up to 11 kg. So now you can attach side by side with your parents' bedding for easy carrying of your baby. It also comes with a safety strap that can anchor on your parent bedding to fix the position of the playpen and your bedding. To adjust the platform to the lower level easily, unzip the platform holder. Now put the platform down to the lower level, and here you can support up to 15 kg. There's 4-side breathable mesh material for excellent air circulation. Unzip this window for spacious, fun entertainment space. And the next features I'm feeling proud to show you is the magical fold. So just one pull to fold the playpen and one press down to unfold it. Travel bag is ready when you want to go travel. You can easily rotate in 360 position because you have 4 turnable wheel and it's lockable. In summary, if you're looking for a side opening playpen and the stability is one of your concerns, let's consider 𝐿𝐀𝐆𝐵 Luna Travel Cot. Let's check out at 𝐿𝐻𝐵 for extra value. Thank you for watching. I'm Joseph, the boss.